Welcome to our channel. If your Keurig coffee maker is displaying a descale message or experiencing performance issues, resetting the machine after descaling will restore optimal function. Follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the process. Step 1. Purchase Keurig descaling solution, or prepare a mixture of equal parts white vinegar and water. Empty the water reservoir completely and remove any used K-cup pods. Step 2. Pour the descaling solution into the empty water reservoir up to the maximum fill line. Place a large ceramic mug on the drip tray. Step 3. Power on your Keurig and run a brew cycle without inserting a K-cup. Select the largest cup size option. Discard the hot liquid when the cycle completes. Step 4. Repeat the brew cycle process until the add water indicator illuminates. This typically requires 4 to 6 brew cycles depending on your reservoir size. Step 5. Let the machine sit for 30 minutes with the power on. This allows the descaling solution to break down mineral deposits inside the internal components. Step 6. Rinse the water reservoir thoroughly with fresh water. Refill it completely with clean water, and run at least 12 cleansing brew cycles to remove all descaling solution residue. Step 7. To reset the descale indicator, press and hold the 8 ounces and 10 ounces buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. The descale light should turn off. Step 8. Brew a test cup of coffee to ensure normal operation and taste. Your Keurig should now work like new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.